Hey, I gotta figure this car out. Every time I'm driving, it just keeps making this weird noise. It's sputtering. It's just like, I gotta go to the car section. Hey man, are you a mechanic? Yeah man, what's going on? So my car's acting weird. It's like sputtering. I don't know what's going on with it. I just got it. I think I know what's going on. Do you know the engine air filter is the first lines of defense of a vehicle? What vehicle do you have? It's a Toyota Highlander, 2021. It says you need an XGA10755. The FRAM Ultra Air. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. No problem, man. That's what I'm here for. Babe, I was talking to this guy. This guy's own garage. He told me about this filter. I think it's gonna work. So happy I met him.
FRAM Ultra Air premium air filter provides ultimate engine protection against dust, dirt, and other damaging particles. Air filters are your engine's first line of defense. Exclusively at your local Walmart. Pick yours up today.